And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is going to be a quick analysis on Arbitrum. So just yesterday, I did a live stream, and someone had requested that I cover Arbitrum in the live stream, and I did. And I found the trend profile exceptionally interesting, okay? And I'll say this, Arbitrum's trend so far, guys, I mean, it looks freaking fantastic, right? What's not to like here? What's not to like? So far, even after the dip, you're still up a good 99% on this trade, notwithstanding the bottom, notwithstanding the top. 99%, great. But what if I told you that there's a pattern on this chart and it could take Arbitrum much, much higher? That's right. So today we're going to be talking about just that. Alrighty. And I'll be telling you exactly what target I'm going to be looking for this drop to potentially find support at. Because yeah, Arbitrum is sinking right now, as you can see. This is like this crazy red candle on the 2-day time frame. But yeah, it has sort of broken trend on the daily time frame and even some of your lower time frames. We'll be talking about that. But we'll be talking about what could be that next potential bounce play. So that's a quick rundown on today's agenda. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's analysis. We always start off with step number 1 here at the Mango Grove. And what is step number 1? Step number 1, guys. Mango dashboard. Okay, make your analysis easy as possible. That way you're not spending too much mental juice into it. Okay, when you have a process, not a lot of mental juice, you can go and spend most of your mental juice then into the 80% of your trades, which is your execution, my friends. Execution is key. Okay, so now get into the Mango dashboard. You'll find this on app.mangoresearch.co. What do we use the dashboard for? Well, to help us, number 1, check our biases, keep us objective, okay? And also to help us understand which coins are actually worth trading right now. There are like thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, right? Which one do you know? How do you know which coin to look at? So the dashboard is going to help you filter out the coins actually worth looking at. Okay, so go ahead and check it out. You can find it on the app.mangoresearch.co. We're going to go ahead and filter out Arbitrum from this list. ARB is the ticker symbol. And there we go. Okay, so right now what this picture is telling me, 4-hour time frame to the 12-hour time frame is giving me short trends. When you see a short trend, it's telling you that, hey, the bears are in control on both those time frames. Okay, however, your daily time frame to the 4-day time frame, that's long, telling me that the bulls are in control on your higher time frames. Now you're probably wondering, Krisha, how the hell does that work? Price moves like this in an uptrend, okay? It doesn't just go up in one straight line to the moon. No, it doesn't. That would not be very sustainable now, would it? So when it comes to these uptrends, you see these pullbacks here? As traders, we like those pullbacks. Why? Because it helps us with 2 things. If you don't already have an existing position in a coin that you love very, very dearly and you've been wanting to get in a position on it, but you never got the opportunity because all you did was chart stare and you never really acted on your trade setups, well, these pullbacks essentially tell you when is it a good time to enter those trades. Okay, when is it a good time to enter those trades? In the middle of an uptrend. Okay, that way you're staying safe, all right? The chances of price falling even further in a bull run is, I'm not going to say significantly less, but the probability of that happening is much lower than if you had to buy it on an existing rally at the top, right? So it helps new traders jump into new positions. But for people who already have existing Arbitrum positions, this will help you understand, hey, is this a good time to maybe add to my position? Right? Now, this is a lower time frame pullback, guys. These are lower time frame pullback opportunities. So when you see something like this, okay, your lower time frames is going to signal short. It's going to tell you that the bears are in control, which they are. But the macro trend, your higher time frames, is going to signal long, telling you that, hey, the higher time frames, this is still an uptrend. This trend is still intact. The bulls are still very much in control. Okay, now what is Arbitrum telling us on the dashboard? Okay, 4-hour time frame to the 12-hour time frame, the bears are in control. However, our longer term uptrend is still intact. Now, question is, where can we really expect the pullback opportunity to come to us at, right? What's that next potential bounce zone? All right, so first of all, I want to find out if can Arbitrum drop further than this, or is this it? Well, check out the volatility profile on the 4-hour time frame and the 12-hour time frame. We have these yellow volatility profiles telling us it's moderate. Okay, if the bears want to step in more here, if they want to take this down even further, they can. They have the power to take it down even further. Alrighty, so I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, they still have a bit more juice left in them. So now just by looking at the dashboard, I know that, hey, I can expect a better bid opportunity in Arbitrum than what price is hovering at right now, which is $1.94. Alrighty. Now, for those of you who are unaware of what the dashboard really helps you with, this is for you. We've been trading the markets for almost a decade now. And if there's one thing we've learned, it's that the biggest opportunities are missed because there's just far too much going on. There's too much to analyze and not enough time. It can all get extremely stressful. And that's just simply not Mango. So over the past few years, we developed the Mango dashboard to eliminate the stress and strip away the complexity. Instead of slaving away in front of the screen all day, the Mango dashboard will narrow down opportunities for you with a single click using our quick filter buttons. You'll get access to trend signals across all timeframes, as well as volatility profile across all timeframes. There's bullish and bearish hidden divergences, Ichimoku big trend signals, as well as buy zones and sell zone markers. And it's all shown in a simple way. And guess what, guys? It doesn't end just there. For the advanced trader, the dashboard also gives you access to the Mango view, which helps you mark out FVG support and resistance zones to help you milk out those extra profits. We also have key trend analysis indicators to make sure you're always on the right side of the trend, as well as the Mango Ichimoku cloud with the Mango settings to help you capture those big wins. You can find all of this at app.mangoresearch.co. And what's more is that you can try it all out for free. Alright, so that's a quick rundown on what you can find on the Mango dashboard. But in addition to all of that, guys, there are premium videos that we've been posting on the dashboard as well on many of the altcoins. Any sort of altcoin trade setup that we find, we've just been doing quick videos and posting it under the premium video section. In fact, just today, massive shout out to Marin. He says, Crash Rock, your tries target hit. I took position and it immediately reversed strongly. Thanks for the signal, but most of all, thanks to Sean Dexter and you for teaching me how to do the TA myself. Okay, but this is a quick reminder. If you guys are very comfortable with your technical analysis, you have your risk management pat down, we're also posting premium videos here, guys. Any altcoin trade setups that we find as traders, we're just going to be posting it there. Okay, it's alpha for all those of you who are looking to trade actively in this bull run. Cool, so let's actually get on over to the weekly time frame first. Okay, I want to go ahead and plot out the most immediate region of support on Arbitrum's chart. And I have identified a range. I'm keeping this simple. I'm looking at the closes. I'm looking at the highs right here. There's a bit of a support zone that we had. Okay, it was resistance, now turned into support. Now, if this support region breaks, what we're looking at next only comes in here at around $1.39. Now, the first zone of support that we're staring at comes in from $1.82 going all the way down to $1.69. Now, if that zone breaks, if that support region breaks, I'm saying we're coming down, where to from there? $1.39 is going to be the next bid opportunity in Arbitrum. But now, if I have to go ahead and evaluate all of these regions of support and place importance on one of them, which one would I place the most importance on? It's going to be $1.69. Okay, bottom of this red box territory that I've drawn out for you right here. And why is that? Because the signature in Arbitrum's chart, as far as the trend signature is concerned, I think there's one time frame where an Arbitrum has been trending exceptionally well on, and that time frame is the 2-day time frame. Okay, get on over to the 2-day time frame. Now, I have a trend indicator. We essentially took our entire trend trading system, turned it into an algorithm, created an indicator out of it, which is the Mango dynamic indicator. Okay, I've been playing Cardano and Caspa off of the dynamic like a freaking dream. But I noticed that even on Arbitrum, the 2-day time frame on Arbitrum has been trending exceptionally well throughout the entire uptrend ever since it started right here. We took out the dynamic, tempo went off, okay, we broke a bullish pattern right here. Okay, we kept getting confirmed closes over that region of resistance back then, now turned into support. I'm referring to the dynamic cloud. Activated a bullish W-like formation. You see that minor double bottom formation? Okay. Broke it to the upside, activated the pattern, held it as support, off to the races. And notice, we've been trending on the dynamic ever since. Every test of the dynamic cloud has been met with support. We've seen buyers pour in here. We've seen buyers pour in here. In spite of having multiple jabs at it, there was demand at these levels. Now, once again, guys, I'm going to be looking towards dynamic support. And I want you to notice, where is that dynamic indicator coming in at? $1.69. Okay, there's confluence on that region. We have a weekly region of support at that level, $1.69. But in addition to weekly support, we also have the dynamic cloud swinging in right there. But another thing alluding to price wanting to come down to this red box territory, to that dynamic cloud, is this. Just yesterday, when someone asked me to cover Arbitrum, I noticed that on the lower time frames, there was a bearish pattern actually playing out. And what is that bearish pattern? Well, let's clear the chart, get into the 12-hour time frame maybe. Okay, yeah, 12 hours, good. Okay. I'm looking at a minor cup and handle like formation on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, this is your cup, handle, and if I have to go ahead and take the measured move of this entire pattern and plot it on the break, by the way, this pattern has been activated. Okay, plot it on the break, which came in right here. Okay, where does this take ARB down to? $1.69. Now we have three things lining up with $1.69. We have weekly support, we have the 2-day dynamic indicator, and we have the measured move of the bearish cup and handle breakdown on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, so this, in my opinion, is going to be the next potential bid opportunity. Now I call it a bid opportunity. Every bid, guys, every trade, all right? Trading is about probabilities. Nothing is going to be 100%. If we had systems out there that were 100%, we'd all be freaking millionaires by now, right? Nothing is 100%. When I look at these trade setups, I'm looking at this as a high probability bounce zone. However, in the case where we do not get a bounce and instead prices break $1.69, you know that you have been invalidated on this trade. Because if price fails to bounce on this region, it breaks to the downside, okay, you know that, hey, you were looking for the bounce, which you did not receive. Instead, prices broke. You are officially wrong on your trade thesis. Simple. All right. What's cool about finding these high confluence zones is that you get to know when you're wrong very, very fast, and you get to take a minimal loss on that trade. Arbitrum, however, will start turning around, guys, if we start taking out these highs right here. So say price fails to get down here, okay, and instead we actually see buyers pour in at this juncture and prices start moving to the upside. Right? What's going to be that point that's going to turn the entire picture around? It's going to be this point right here. Okay, look for Arbitrum to start living over these highs right here. Okay, you see all of these rejections? These were all rejections. Okay, price failed. They got up there time and time and time again. The buyers tried, and they failed to take price up over that level at around $2.16. If we clear out $2.16, I'm saying Arbitrum's not coming back down to the zone. No, out of the books. Arbitrum is going up even further. So what is that next potential massive bullish target that I'm going to be looking at? We'd be staring at a massive cup and handle like formation. Okay, it would be a very, very shallow handle formation right there at the end. But if we get it and we start seeing a break, so I'm looking for closes over this level right here, which comes in at around $2.20. I want to see weekly closes. Okay, I'm only going to be looking for this target if I see weekly closes over this level at around $2.20. All right, take note of it, $2.20. At that point, we're going to be, the next potential target will likely take Arbitrum all the way up to $5.86. Okay, this is a macro target, not necessary that we get up there in one fell swoop, but that is the target on the books right now. Okay, so yeah, this is Arbitrum for you. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe if you want to keep up with more updates like this, and I will see you now in the next video. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.